If you're unsure how to choose a profitable niche without feeling boxed in, it helps to take a fresh approach, one that blends creativity with data. Forget the overcrowded markets and ultra-tiny niches. Zero in on money pockets, those emerging micro-niches quietly filling with eager buyers. Start by exploring tools like Glimpse, Exploding Topics, and Google Trends. These platforms can help uncover rising search trends and untapped angles within larger markets. Look for steady growth over time, not just short-term spikes. For example, instead of choosing a massive niche like fitness, you might discover a fast-growing micro-niche like strength training for women over 50 or at-home mobility routines. The key is finding intersections where demand exists, competition is lower, and your unique voice or product can stand out. It's helpful to validate ideas by checking for active communities, relevant products already selling, and keyword interest. This gives you clarity and confidence to move forward without second-guessing your direction. And remember, choosing a niche doesn't mean locking yourself into one thing forever. It's about creating a strong starting point with room to grow. The right micro-niche helps you stand out, attract your ideal audience, and grow without having to appeal to everyone.